Hello children and welcome back to another English class. I'm Miss Jocelyn Flores and in the lesson of this week we are going to talk about some communication. So let's begin with, of course, your guided book, and for that, or the classes of this week, you're going to practice on the communication part of the book. So for that, you're going to open your guided book on page 42. On page 42, remember, page 42, that is the page that we're going to work today. And on the communication part of the book, we're going to talk about dates. This is very important because you use it in your normal life. So what we're going to talk about how we can express the day of today, the month, and the number. And for that, we're going to use ordinal numbers, okay? What is the first exercise that we're going to work for this communication part? Is that you have to complete the table with ordinal numbers, okay? Then you're going to listen and check. Of course, that we're going to check it. And you have to complete. Here you have first, second, third, and what is the number that is here? Remember, that is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not cardinal numbers, are ordinal numbers. So in Spanish, this will be like primero, segundo, tercero. How do you write in English? Cuarto, okay? And for that reason, we're going to use a listening to help with this exercise, okay? So try to pay attention because now you're going to listen, you're going to complete here in the blank spaces and try to pay attention to the other words, okay? Then we're going to check the exercise.
Talking about dates. Page 42. Exercise 1. First. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Eighth. Ninth. 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st.
Okay, very good. Now that you listened these ordinal numbers, now we are going to check it a little bit in order that you can check the reading part. So for that, I am going to use this note. I am going to change the color, and I am going to write only the missing parts, okay? I am going to put the note here, and it's very important that you know that when you have first, these two letters goes here, okay? When you have second, happens the same. N and D. And third, you put it like here. This is only for the first three numbers. Then you're going to use always TH at the end, okay? As you can see here, you have 20th, and then you have 21st, not 21, okay? And for that reason, you use the ST at the end of the word, okay? That is very important too. So let's begin. Here we have fourth, and you're going to write it like this, fourth, okay? Remember, use TH. Then we have this number, ordinal number, and you're going to write it like 6. Then we have number 8, that in ordinal number is like this, 8. You cannot use in this form. Could be a very common mistake that you must add another TH. No, that is wrong. You're going to use only another H, okay? Then we have the number 13, and we're going to write it in this form. Give me one moment. You're going to write it like this. "13." In this part, you have to use the 13 and then the TH. Okay. Then we have 15, and you're going to write it like this, 15th. Then we have the 19th, and you're going to write it like this, sorry, 19th. And then we have 22nd, remember 22nd, so we're going to write it in this form, 22nd, okay? Then we have, I am going to make it bigger, please. Then we have this number, and we're going to write it again, 20, and we're going to write it like this, 7th, okay? Remember, always TH. And then we have 30, not 13, that is very important too, and you're going to write it like this. You have to be very careful with this part, because maybe you're going to commit some mistake. So it's very similar to 20th, sorry, but in this part you're going to write it 30th, okay, like that. And then you have 31st, and there you have the exercise, okay? So what we're going to do now, we're going to focus on exercise number 2. Says, listen and choose the correct word, and listen again and repeat. What do we have to do? We're going to listen to a piece of audio about Lucas and Ruby, and you have to choose. What is the day today? It is February the 12th or the 20th. You have to choose according to the listening, okay? Pay attention.
Unit 4, Communication. Talking about dates. Page 42. Exercise 2. What's the date today?
It's February 12th. It's my sister's birthday.
Oh, really? How old is she?
She's 12.
My birthday's in June.
What date?
It's on June 14th. When's your birthday?
It's on August 22nd.
Okay, excellent. If you want to listen again, if you want to listen the audio again, you only have to rewind this video and you can listen it again, okay? Another thing that is very important to understand and to comprehend and is that the book gives to you a tip that you can use it in your normal life. And here we have 3 questions that are related to the communication part. So we have, what's the day today, when's your birthday, and when's your mom's or dad's birthday. So for example, what's the day today? The answer is it's May the 1st. And you can change it, I don't know, if you want to change the month. For example, we are in November, so it's November. You can say it November the 1st, November the 2nd, November the 3rd, or the 4th. And finally, when's your birthday? It's March 17th. or when's your mom's or dad's birthday, it's on June 22nd, okay? It's very important that we pay attention here in the look part and says write June the 1st or June 1 with only the number, but you must say June 1st. You cannot say it like as I said before, June 1, okay? Because when we are talking about dates, we cannot use cardinal numbers. We're going to use ordinal numbers. That is very important too. You can write it like June the 1st or June with the number, but you say it like June the 1st. Okay, kiddos, I hope that you understand everything. And I think that is a very, very short activity, but it's very important too. So I hope that you understand, and see you next class. Have a great day. Bye-bye.